Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so in this question we have this table. Okay, what we also know is that total boys are 90 here and total girls are 70. Okay, so 40 boys out of these 90 boys are enrolled in algebra, 30 boys are enrolled in literature, 50 girls are enrolled in algebra, 30 girls are enrolled in literature. Okay, so now we have to find the maximum number of boys that cannot be enrolled in either algebra or literature. Okay, so for boys, if we create the Venn diagram here, okay, so this is the Venn diagram for boys. Let A be the number of boys enrolled in only algebra, L be the number of boys enrolled in only literature, and X be the number of boys enrolled in both of them. Okay, so now, and N over here be the number of boys that are neither enrolled in algebra or literature. So we have to maximize N here because we have to find maximum number of boys that cannot be enrolled in either of them. Okay, so we know that there are 90 boys. So N plus A plus X plus L is equal to 90. Okay, A is only algebra, L is only literature. Okay, X is both algebra and literature. Alright, number of boys in algebra is 40. So we can say A plus X, that is 40. Number of boys in literature is 30. So we can say L plus X is equal to 30. Okay, so now over here when we put A plus X as 40, we can get N plus L to be 90 minus 40, which is 50. We have put A plus X as 40 here. So N plus 40 plus L, that is 90. So N plus L is 90 minus 40, which is 50. So we get N plus L is 50. Now if you look at it, L over here is 30 minus X. Okay, and N over here is 50 minus L. Okay, now we have to maximize N. So we have to minimize L. Okay, so we have to find the minimum value of L. Now L is 30 minus X. So if X is 30, can X be 30 first of all? Okay, if X is 30, can this be 30? Yes, it can be 30 because A plus X is 40. So 30 plus 10 will be 40. So A is not coming out negative when X is 30. So if X is 30, A is also positive. Okay, so or 0. So A has to be 0 or positive for X to be valid. So when X is 30, A is over here is 10. So we can get A as 10, X as 30. In that case, we will minimize L to be 0. Okay, we cannot go below 0. Why? Because L is the number of students enrolled in only literature. You cannot have negative number of students. Okay, so the minimum value of L we get is 0. So when X is 30, so if X is 30, L is 0. So when L is 0, N will be 50 minus 0, which is 50. So this is the maximum possible case. Okay, so for the maximum possible case, X has to be 30. Alright, so N is coming out to be 50. That is the maximum possible value of N. So the maximum number of boys that cannot be enrolled in either algebra or literature is equal to 50. Okay, so 50 over here is that is how we solve this question.